Hi, welcome back to my channel, DIY on a Budget. Today we'll be making some Rocky Road. 5 easy ingredients. We have chocolate, which I've already melted in the microwave, about 375 grams, half a packet of raspberries chopped in half a packet of small marshmallows, half a packet of crushed nuts, and 1 cup of coconut. All you've got to do is add all these ingredients into a bowl and mix until combined. We'll do that first. So the chocolate took about a minute and a half in the microwave. It was pretty soft though, so makes it a bit easier. I'm just going to add the raspberry lollies. And then the half a cup of marshmallows, half a packet of crushed nuts, and 1 cup of coconut. Mix it all together. Give it a good stir. A good friend of mine gave me this recipe years ago. Her name's Louise, and she knows who she is. Okay, once combined, we're just going to tip it into the tin. And then spread it out. Nice and even. We'll pop it in the fridge for about 2 to 4 hours or overnight, whatever's easy. And then we'll chop it into pieces and we'll show you later when it's done. Okay guys, so it's been 24 hours since I've made the Rocky Road. So we're just going to chop it up and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Looks very nice, doesn't it? All right, hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again.